Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so importantly for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across us, or you are hearing our voice for the first time, we still remain your one and only, ever ready, bringing it to you, as you all know. So, my wonderful family, without not wasting much of your time, today I just want us to do quick.
Good morning, lovers of freedom. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. This message you see today is coming from Igbebesu People's Congress Sabaoth. We have come to give an application, information or letter to Mazi Simeon Ekpa that we Igbebesu People's Congress Sabaoth have a chapter that we are ready to fight alongside with him. That is why we want to send this message to him. We believe in freedom for Biafra. We believe in freedom for every genuine Biafrans, man and woman, child and born. Wherever you are in Hobili Neme, this is the hour for us to wake up. And this is a wake-up call. That is why we are urging everybody who are to see this video to make sure it reaches to the desk of autopilot Simeon Ekpa, that we Igbebesu People's Congress Sabaoth assure him to work alongside with him in this battle. The battle is not only for Simeon Ekpa and autopilot. It is for those genuine Biafrans who will not be able to be recognized by that structure of IPOB. But we still believe that freedom for all, freedom for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We want every man and woman to wake up, because the Fulanis are already in our nose, and we will not allow them to have balance. We believe in the ancient Judah, because we are the tribe of Judah. We are Igbebesu. We are the Sabaoth. We are the servant of the Lord of hosts. And this warning goes to every human being who are working to destroy the structure, to destroy the sufferness of our brother Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is from Abia State. Every one of you who think that you can sabotage him, you are making a very big mistake. Because we believe in our dialect. Egbe fọdụ tere from ekwu ya. Oke anụ onwe ya so onwe ya egwu. Oke anụ nwa awọrọ. The battle is not only for the autopilot, but for every genuine Biafrans who has the Biafran blood in their veins. You are to wake up. Forget what people will say. Forget what people may do. Believe in yourself. John 14 verse 1. He said unto you, believe in yourself. Also believe in Chukwu Okike Abiama, for inside this Biafra there's many mansions. If you are sabotaging your brother because of 2023 election, you are a very big fool. Because emana nke ema nke ọzọ. Ebe isi na ema nke a, emakwa nke a. Isi na ema nke a, emakwa nke a. Simeon Ekpa told you what you don't know is bigger than you, and so it is. Now let me go back to our dialect. We Igbebesu People's Congress Sabaoth, anyị na-agwụ n'okwu ugbu a na-asụ unu. O ji ncha asa ahụ mara onwe ya. Onye mebe o dosara akwa ya ga-yiri ya. Ọgbọtọ ga-yiri akwa. Unu ekwekwala ka ihe mere ndị nna emekwa ya ọzọ. But buru ya n'obi na ọ sị gị n'ikpeazụ ahụ na Chineke ga-anarakwa ndị nna ikike wee ya nye ụmụazị sa amalite na-arụ ọrụ, na anyị ga-arụ ọrụ karịa ihe ndị nna ha rụrụ. Ọsọ ọ bụ na ị kwere n'ime nkwere n'aha m na ị ga-arụ ọrụ karịa otu m si rụọ. Simeon Ekpa is pushing everything very hardly for us to survive. Since nobody is listening, we will put it into your ears. We will make sure that you hear what we are saying. Because you do not know that Agbacha Osa ga-agụ mine. It is not a matter of thought, but of power and great dominion. We are telling you now, you thought we are joking. We are warning you now, you thought you are joking. Calling the names of your people. And now, Handibo, Ofu. I want to be able to and one day about terrorists. When Mazen Nandekalo was on IPOB seat, I remember him calling these unknown gunmen angels. I remember him calling them beautiful names. I remember him giving them a door. But look at what is happening behind the bar. Unu makwa hunu neme. Unu makwa hunu neme. Unu makwa hunu neme. Enwe si were mmiri ọkụ na ochi n'elu ada. Ihe ahụ iche na ị na-eme na onwe na-ahụ gị. Bria n'obi na Chineke emela ka ụmụ amata ihe unu na-eme. Put your hands together with Simeon Ekpa to restore Biafra and release Mazen Nandekalo unconditional. Put your hands together with Simeon Ekpa to release Mazen Nandekalo unconditional. Stop giving your people's name and identity to the Fulanis. Enwuri gerite mawanegi no na the enemy's bar. Ebucha ndị dike nọ n'obodo a. Now Ohaneze ndị Igbo is waking up, joining the struggle. We want to come on man who has a genuine heart to work up. I see no better. You una neba no na abamba na etiari mgbu na akpọ ya onye oshi. 100 million eji awu presidents. After the 100 million all of them are all beginning. Ya happy ya onye ji ya ha. Onye ji ya happy ya onye ji ya ha. We are giving this money because he had by Orutayaka. Organzomanantigo. Back to our letter. Mazi Simeon Ekpa, we the I'm soon back this, but we do one thing sure. I want to tell you that people must pay with the law. You people will with the blood. They begin to respect your step. Oh yeah. On azu roge. On am gun bi. O na gbinu. Kete. Onye mo ji ha ya. Onye ji ha ge. Onye mo ji ha ya onye ji ha ge. This is the kingdom of Abia on earth. No deity, no religion, no principality, no power that will stop this movement. So as autopilot is concerned, we have come here to stay. No matter what. You people are messing up with our life. You people are messing up with our life. I am going to politician to defend over the hard, but I have ballot boss. But Buria no big only in Kahana with 10,000 naira for ballot boss. You were a very big fool. Emma Panena put us with a quality of she. Emma put us with she. From now to September, Emma from now to September, Emma Bobina give it to Dioshiki, give it to Dioshiki. Anna Hekuna full no Guregu. Oyabana Hekula, Anna Gwagu. Makwa goku mborogwe riela mense ego esibo mborogwe riela mense ego and mense ekwetirila don call us rabe nde Biafra don call us rabe. We are citizens. Some of you are foreigners because you cannot tell us that you original soil of this land and you are betraying your land. Ojincha asa homaro nwe. I know why I'm saying this in front of Brother Mesa, because I want to let you understand that Yeshua is with us and he has sent us, and we are here by Lord to drive this train to our destination, Biafra land. I say go elu, and so shall it be. Onye ọbụla nọchiri anyị ụzọ, anyị ga-egbutu ya n'ala. Abụ ọma 111 mere ka anyị mata If the enemy try to come closer to us, we will cut it down. Ugwu a na abụọma 149 na-agwa gị onye ọbụla chi ikpere Chineke ga-ejide egbe. Onye pastọ na-asị gị na-aga ekpere Chineke ọ ma ihe ọ na-eme. Anyị jizi egbe ekpe ya, anyị jizikwa mma ekpe ya. Lekwa anyị ugwu a. Anyị gwụkwa gị ọzọ. O ji ncha asa ahụ mara onwe ya. Ọgba ọtọ ga yiri akwa. Onye mara onye o ji ya hapụ ya ka ihe ji ya haa ya. Unu kwụsị this Sabaoth a ma ọ wụ ya, we will force it into your family and your family will pay with their blood. Simeon Ekpa, we say respect, brother man. We are waiting to receive your signal.
So my quality people, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like this video, share and subscribe if you haven't. Subscription is free. Please smash on that subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, from here I said bye.